firstly, I want to thank the technical staff, the board, everyone at Chiefs, my teammates for really helping me and pushing me. I think we played very well, and I think for all the supporters, that's at home watching us. We really wish that you guys were here to share the 3 points with you, but know that we have you in our hearts. We're thinking about you guys at home. For you guys to stay safe, and hopefully this thing can get over and you guys can come and support us again. I'm a Kosi for life.
For a second. Oh, that is sensational. Header on the goal. Sololile has scored the winner in stoppage time. The chance here and buried. The goal ground is broken. Kermit in restless moments before half time is finally banged in the goal. Inside outside.